Good morning, students. This is my second video on simple present tense. And students, you have sent me your responses. I have checked them and I have found that some students have understood it very well and some still need more explanation. So never mind, I am here to help you. Let us recapitulate the work done by us the day before yesterday. We will be doing tenses, and in tenses particularly we will be discussing simple present tense. Simple present tense follows this pattern. This is the pattern by which we frame a sentence. Subject comes first, then first form of the verb, and then comes object. Let me write one example. Let's take a verb play. Subject is I, verb is play, and object is football. This same example I had taken that day. After discussing this, we discussed person. This is very important. And in person, what we discussed, there are three persons in English language: first person, second person, and third person. First person, let's talk about it again. Singular form and plural, both we will discuss. First person is I and its plural is we. Second person is you and its plural is same you. Third person is he, she, it, and its plural is they. So we discussed this also, and specifically I told you that this person, third person singular, that is he, she, it. It does not take first form of the verb only. With first form of the verb, we need to add s or es with this person. Today I will be taking another verb with you. The verb is go. I will be discussing all these nouns, these pronouns with you, and with this verb. I go to temple every day. We, this is verb, go to temple every day. Then comes you, go to temple every day. Let's take up this person. He can be, say we can say a name. Let us take a name, Prince dash to temple every day. Verb will be go only, but because Prince is a boy and Prince is he, so it will not take go only. We need to write es with it. Prince goes to temple every day. Same goes with she. I will be using a name here. Say Priya. Priya goes to temple every day. And it, for it we can take any name. Tommy eats fish. Tommy is an animal, and for animal we use it. For girl we use she. These are third person singular, he, she, and it. And with he, she, and it, we use s with verb, first form of the verb. This was the thing we discussed that day. Today, children, I want to discuss negative how we form negative sentences of this tense only. In negative sentences we use do not or does not. Do not, does not. you can understand this is also do, but es is added with all the persons. All the persons means I, we, you and they. We will be using do not. And with he, she, it, we will be using does not. Children, I want to use these sentences for explaining. That day we discussed this exercise. Here I am going to underline the verb. I go to gym every day. Isha wakes up. It is present there in my previous video. I will be converting these sentences into negative. Right? What we are going to use here? Do not or does not. Right? I go to gym. I is first person. I go to gym. I do not. I do not go to gym every day. Isha. Isha is third person singular. She. Isha. Here we can notice that S has been used with wake. Verb is wake. Because Isha is third person singular, we have used S here. And how we are going to change it into negative form? Isha does not wake up at 6 a.m. We need to cut S here. Why we need to cut S here? Because we have added S, ES here. We will be using S or ES one time in a sentence and we have used it here. So S will be deducted, as it will be eliminated from the verb. Next is water. Water is third person singular. This is it, third person singular. Boils. S has been used here. If we want to make it negative sentence, how we will do it? Water does not boil. S will be removed. Same thing. Third person singular, we use S or ES. But here because we are using does, so we will be removing S with verb. Next sentence, the sun rises. Rises is the verb in the east and sets is the verb. S has been used here. S has been used here. The sun is a thing, it category. The sun does not rise in the east and set in west. Next, my school. It is a place, begins. My school does not begin at 8 a.m. The train, again it is a thing, leaves. S has been used here but we need to deduct it from here. Train does not leave at 17:40 hours. So this way we convert them into negative sentences. Yes children, this is the negative form we have discussed. Now we will be discussing interrogative form. Can you tell me what is an interrogative sentence? Yes, interrogative sentence is a sentence where we ask a question. Right? We ask a question. Now we are going to convert these very sentences into interrogative. First sentence is I go to gym every day. Now we are going to convert this sentence into interrogative. In interrogative sentences, what we do? We start our sentence with do or does. A sentence begins with do or does according to the person. I go to gym every day. I is first person and the verb is go. With I we will be using do. Do I go to gym every day? And don't forget to put a question mark at the end. This is our first sentence. Second sentence, I will be taking water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. we are going to convert it into interrogative. Water is third person singular, so we will be using does here. Does water boil? We will remove S from here because we have added it here. Does water boil at 100 degree centigrade? Sorry, question mark. Don't forget to put question mark here. Let me take a different sentence. In your exercise, you had written this sentence: my mother cooks delicious food. My mother is third person singular. She, S has been used here, and while converting into interrogative sentence, it will begin with does my mother cook delicious food? And last, one more sentence I want to take with you. Let us take: we enjoy rides. We, first person plural, and enjoy, verb, first form of the verb. Do we enjoy rides? So children, this way we are able to convert affirmative sentences into negative form and interrogative form. I will be sending an exercise with you, with this video to you, and you are supposed to convert those affirmative sentences into negative form and send me your responses. Thank you. Have a great day.